the spectacular underwater pass of a pipeline under Motława in Gdańsk. On the 19th of October 2015 in Gdańsk, the pioneering on a European-scale installation of 8 315mm Brugg Flexwell steel pipes was conducted. The installation is related to the liquidation of the heating plant Zawisłańska and connecting heating systems of districts Stogi and Przeróbka to the existing city heating network. The liquidation of the heating plant Zawisłańska and the construction of a coupler to district heating network connecting Stogi and Przeróbka with city network is one of the largest investment projects of the GPEC Group in recent years. Thanks to this project, residents of Przeróbka and Stogi as early as next year will be able to take advantage of one of the most environmentally friendly sources of heat, system heat. This project would not be possible if the funding wasn't received from Project of Regional Fund for Environmental Protection and Water Management, KAFKA for Pomerania. Through the liquidation of the heating plant Zawisłańska, very harmful emissions of particulate matter will be limited by more than 37 tons per year. The entire process of drilling has lasted from mid-September. However, the design and preparatory work had already begun at the turn of the year 2014 and 15. Thanks to the cooperation of the companies GPEC, GPEC Service, Good Design Katarzyna Klimowicz, Hosta, ZRB Janicki, and ROE Robert Osikowicz, they managed to develop the concept of the implementation of crossing using steel pipes Brugg Flexwell 315mm by 8 pieces in configuration of 2 holes with 4 pipes, with a length of 235 meters. These pipes are different from the typical heating pipes that the inner tube, so-called the transmission tube, is made of corrugated steel, which gives it the flexibility, the most important features of its self-compensation. As a result, the tube is not damaged due to temperature changes. 2 companies, Hosta Ltd from Wejherowo and ZRB Janicki from Gierałtowice, took up this task. The mud service and the technical consulting were led by ROE Robert Osikowicz company from Krakow. At the outset, the project was subjected to a detailed feasibility study, which included the excavation and the evaluation of the results of geotechnical examinations, the evaluation of proposed drilling profile, the evaluation of the concept of the HDD in the context of the type and strength parameters of the pipeline built, the risk assessment of the investment execution, the preparation of technological and technical project, the preparation of a detailed timetable, the implementation of qualitative analysis of a project in relation to the drilling procedures and quality assessment of a borehole. The biggest threat and fear of both the pipe manufacturer Brugg Systems Ltd and the main investor GPEC Group was if they could pull in these pipelines not exceeding the maximum load of 400 kilonewtons. Exceeding this value automatically disqualify these tubes out of service. Another question and threat was if they could execute this passage with a 4 steel pipe of diameter of 310mm, pulled at the same time. Both in Poland and in Europe, there have been no information on similar implementation. The correct definition of the risks of this investment at the stage of its design and performance in connection with multifaceted consultations with drilling industry specialists contributed to the unquestionable success of the execution of that very difficult project.